Are you ready to see what the future of high-performance computing actually looks like? Because today we are taking an incredibly deep dive into a machine that is completely redefining the boundaries between a portable workstation and a hardcore desktop gaming rig. Welcome back to the channel, everybody. Today we have our hands on the highly anticipated 2026 MSI Vector 16. And let me tell you right out of the gate, this laptop is an absolute monster. If you are in the market for a system that refuses to compromise on absolutely anything, whether you are pushing maximum frames in the latest AAA titles, rendering heavy 4K video timelines, or running complex engineering simulations, you are going to want to stick around for this entire review. And just a quick reminder, if you want to check the current pricing on this exact configuration, or if you decide you want to pick one up for yourself, I have put a direct Amazon link down in the description and in the pinned comment below. Clicking that link is the best way to support the channel at no extra cost to you, so I really appreciate it. Now, let us talk about why this specific configuration of the MSI Vector 16 is making such massive waves in the tech community right now. First, we absolutely have to talk about the sheer processing power MSI has packed into this relatively compact notebook form factor. At the beating heart of this machine is the brand new Intel Core Ultra 7 255HX. Now, I know what some of you might be thinking. You might be wondering why you would go with the Ultra 7 instead of holding out for an i9. Well, the benchmarks are in, and the architectural advancements in this processor are nothing short of revolutionary. This CPU boasts a staggering 20 cores and can boost all the way up to a blistering maximum speed of 5.2 GHz. In multiple real-world tests, this incredibly efficient Core Ultra 7 255HX is actively outperforming the legendary i9-14900HX, especially when it comes to sustained multi-core workloads and thermal efficiency. What this means for you is that you get desktop-tier performance without your laptop instantly thermal throttling or sounding like a jet engine taking off in your living room. Whether you are running heavy business applications, compiling massive amounts of code, or just multitasking like an absolute pro, this processor handles it effortlessly. But a gaming laptop is completely defined by the graphics processing, and the Vector 16 does not pull any punches here. This system is equipped with a dedicated NVIDIA RTX 5070 Ti. Yes, the RTX 50 series is finally here, and it represents a massive generational leap in graphical fidelity. The RTX 5070 Ti is a dedicated graphics coprocessor utilizing the latest GDDR memory and NVIDIA's newest, most advanced architecture. With heavily upgraded ray tracing cores and the absolute latest iteration of AI-driven frame generation, this GPU allows you to crank up the visual settings to ultra on the most demanding games available today. Games built on Unreal Engine 5, Cyberpunk, whatever heavy titles you throw at it, this graphics card simply eats them for breakfast. And because it features such a robust video processor and optimized VRAM configuration, it is explicitly designed for dual uses: hardcore gaming and heavy-duty business applications like 3D modeling, video rendering, and CAD software. Of course, pushing all those high frame rates means absolutely nothing if you don't have a display capable of keeping up. MSI equipped the Vector 16 with an absolutely breathtaking 16-inch LCD IPS display. We are looking at a stunning native resolution of 2560 by 1600. That 16 by 10 aspect ratio is a massive quality of life improvement. That extra vertical screen real estate is a game changer when you're scrolling through spreadsheets, editing on a long video timeline, or just browsing the web. But for gamers, the true star of the show is the lightning-fast 240 Hz refresh rate. Combined with that crystal-clear QHD Plus resolution and a premium anti-glare coating, your games are going to look buttery smooth. There's zero ghosting, zero screen tearing, and the color accuracy of this IPS display technology means every single virtual environment you explore will look incredibly vibrant and true to life. To support that incredible CPU and GPU combination, you need serious memory and storage, and this setup delivers perfectly. Out of the box, you're getting 32 GB of ultra-fast DDR5 RAM. This DDR5 SD RAM provides immense bandwidths, ensuring that memory bottlenecks are completely a thing of the past. You can have your game running, your streaming software open, a web browser with 50 tabs, and Discord all running simultaneously without feeling a single stutter. And if you are a true power user, you'll be happy to know that the system supports up to a maximum of 64 gigabytes of RAM down the line. As for storage, MSI has included a massive 2 terabyte solid-state drive. 2 terabytes of solid-state space is huge. It means you no longer have to constantly uninstall older games just to make room for the massive file sizes of modern game releases. Your boot times into the operating system will be practically instantaneous, and game loading screens will be over before you can even take a sip of your coffee. Let's shift gears and talk about the physical design and the build quality. The MSI Vector 16 comes in an incredibly sleek Cosmo gray color finish. It has a mature, sophisticated aesthetic that doesn't scream gamer in a professional setting, making it perfect for taking to the office, a business meeting, or a coffee shop. The notebook form factor is surprisingly manageable, measuring exactly 14.05 inches in length, 11.18 inches in width, and sitting at just 1.12 inches thick. It feels incredibly premium and sturdy in the hand. Opening the lid reveals a phenomenal RGB backlit keyboard. The QWERTY layout is spacious, tactile, and incredibly comfortable for both long typing sessions and intense gaming marathons. You can completely customize the RGB backlighting to fit whatever mood or aesthetic you're going for. But one of the most exciting new special features on this keyboard is the dedicated Copilot key. Because this laptop comes pre-installed with Windows 11 Pro, that single Copilot key gives you instantaneous access to Microsoft's advanced AI assistant. You can use it to instantly summarize long documents, generate emails, or troubleshoot technical issues, acting as an incredible productivity booster right at your fingertips. And speaking of Windows 11 Pro, having the professional version of the operating system gives you enhanced security features like BitLocker encryption, which is an absolute must-have if you are using this machine for business. Finally, we need to discuss connectivity because a true desktop replacement needs to be able to connect to everything you own. The Vector 16 is fully future-proofed with the latest Wi-Fi 7 in Bluetooth 5.4. Wi-Fi 7 drastically reduces network latency and exponentially increases your bandwidth, meaning if you have a compatible router, you can confidently game wirelessly without fear of lag spikes ruining your competitive matches. When it comes to hardware interfaces, this laptop is an absolute dream. It has a staggering total of 9 ports. This includes 4 USB ports featuring USB 3.2 Gen 2 and blazing fast Thunderbolt support for rapid data transfers. You get a dedicated HDMI video output to hook up to an external 4K television or TV, and a physical Ethernet port for when you absolutely require a hardwired rock-solid internet connection. There's no optical storage device, which is completely standard for a 2026 model, but the sheer variety of ports means you can finally leave all those annoying expensive dongles at home. In conclusion, the 2026 MSI Vector 16 is nothing short of a portable powerhouse. It effortlessly bridges the gap between a high-end gaming console and a professional creative workstation. From the astonishing CPU performance of the Intel Core Ultra 7 255HX and the graphical dominance of the NVIDIA RTX 5070 Ti to the stunning 16-inch QHD plus 240Hz display, the massive 32 gigabytes of DDR5 RAM, and the sprawling 2 terabytes SSD, this laptop is built for those who demand the absolute best. It currently holds a highly respected rank among best sellers in traditional laptop computers, and after taking a look at these specs, it is incredibly easy to see why. If you are ready to elevate your digital experience, whether for hardcore competitive gaming or intensive business tasks, this is the machine to do it with. Don't forget to check the Amazon link in the description below to secure yours today, as inventory on these highly anticipated RTX 50 series laptops is guaranteed to move fast. Thank you all so much for watching. Please hit that like button if you found this review helpful, subscribe to the channel for more deep dive tech content, and I will see you in the very next video.